Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your internet is stable and you have the Zoom app or browser open. Next, choose a sign-in method, email, SSO, Google, or Apple, because each route uses different prompts and passwords. Once done, tap Sign In or Join if you have a meeting code. Make sure you select Sign In to access account features. This starts authentication and brings up the specific fields you'll complete in the next step. You now enter credentials. Pick the method you prepared earlier. If you choose email, type your address and password exactly, then press Sign In. If you choose SSO, enter your company domain and follow the identity provider prompts. For Google or Apple, a consent screen appears, approve it to continue. Make sure to complete two-factor prompts if enabled, a code, push, or security key. Once authenticated, Zoom loads your profile and meeting list. To finish, verify you're signed in by checking your name, profile icon, and account menu. Open settings to confirm audio and video preferences. If login fails, try reset password from the sign-in screen, confirm caps lock is off, or use SSO help from your IT admin. Also check for Zoom account lockout emails in spam. Finally, join a quick test meeting to confirm audio and camera. If something still fails, update the app and retry. That often resolves compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.